Good afternoon. Today I discuss a new education policy 2020 26 January to apply all over India in new education policy. It is a amended after 3 times. First time to amended a new education policy 1968 to presidency of Indira Gandhi, and second amendment of new education policy 1988 presidency of the Rajiv Gandhi, and third and last amendment new education policy 2020 presidency of the Narendra Modi, and it is a new education policy 2020 recommended by the Kasturi Ranjan Samiti, and present time GDP का 4.43% to use a education sector, but the new education system to recommended a GDP का 6% to use a education system. The present time they have a education pattern 10 plus 2 plus 3. It is a finish. A new education policy will be recommended a new pattern 5 plus 3 plus 4 new pattern to use. The first education policy to apply in Karnataka is a first state in India, and there are so new education policy to scheme to have foreign industrials to use a new foundation, new college, new institutes of education in India. It is a opportunity given by a foreign citizens to invest in India. New education policy to grow up in India. New education policy give a recommended there is a use a 3 language. First language is use a Hindi language, and second language is a use a local language, and last language is a use a English language. There are will we have a 3 language to use a new education policy in India to recommended you. And new education policy to have a new Shiksha Mantralaya to known that's before it is a known that's MHRD Mantralaya to have, but it is a change to given by a Shiksha Mantralaya. And new education systems will be improved. It is a to give the attention of the teacher. It is a teach the students centrics, and given the education of the making a perfect child, and give the education of play, act, communication, and all given the opportunity in schools times. And new education policy to have a new schemes to primary states, and once 3 years of the child to have a Anganwadi, and it is a primary first primary to use. It is a new education policy to have a improve in new education in India. There are 75 year to have a freedom in India. There are have only 3 amendment to have a education system before the GDP का 4.4% to use a education system, but it is a recommended a GDP का 6% to use a education system. It is a proof of a new education policy to given a 3 language policy. First language in Hindi, and second language is a local language, and third language English. It is important given by the new education policy is a local language. It is most important of the child centric education. It is a understand easily. It is a to think a Indian governments, Indian scholars, and local language is it given a good language to the child to learn a education. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channels. Namaste. Dhanyawad.